out with any means. Then you have to open this valve, remove all the air, and get your soapy water, spray all around, whichever how you like. Then get the hammer. Yeah, hit it. Okay. It's now free from the rim. Flip it the other side. It's free over there. No need of the hammer. Spray with water, soapy water. Get this tool. Put it right here. Step. Push it in. Stay right here for the leverage. Pull it. You pull like this. Out. Put this one aside. Get you a ply bar. Lift this one up. Put it in here. Then what you gonna do is everything is out. This is a bad tire. Throw it away. Lift the rim right there. Let me grab the new tire. This is the new tire. What you gonna do is spray with water, with soapy water. Okay. Put it right here. Put it right here. Is it? Get your ply bar. Spray over here with soapy water. I don't know what you will use to spray, but because I need to make this thing look easy. Okay, so what you can do, you do this way. Stay right here. Get your ply bar inside. Do it this way. Easy. Take it easy. Easy. You beg it. Easy. Oh, easy. Come down here like that. The tire is here. Now what you gonna do? You flip it and you put the air right here. You put the